Welcome back to the StoneburnerBooks YouTube channel. We are going to look at all of the books that I made in May 2024, and it's a variety of items. There are some Japanese stab binding books, definitely lots of floppy disk notebooks, upcycled journals, and even some fresh from scratch journals as well. So I hope that you will look through and see what I made this month, and let me know in the comments which one you like the best. As you can probably tell from the last couple of books, I spent a good amount of time this month restocking my floppy disk notebooks. So you'll see a lot of that. But then kind of after I went through restocking all of these, I started to get into more fun books that are a little bit more creative. You'll see a massive rainbow book that I made, as well as something that looks kind of plain from the outside, but is a junk journal on the inside. This next run of books are all books that I made in advance of an in-person event that I had on June 1st. And I finally got to break out some of my fruit stripe paper and some ribbon candy paper. I was really excited to work with these, and they were well received at the event. So if you are trying to keep track, I made 43 books this month, and that brings the total so far this year to just over 200 books made. If you're interested in these types of videos, I do have one for every month going back starting in January. So I hope that you'll check out that playlist. Also, be sure to like and subscribe.